If we were kids again, we'd hang out almost every day, running through woods at dawn, finding the magic in things. And you'd help me climb the trees, pulling me up to the top of the branches. You'd open your book to read the story that felt like we were already in, where you're the king of the apple trees, in the orchard where I'd come to eat, where we'd pull the wings off bees to build a bed in the top of the barn, and humming through grass we'd sing out in the fields with the wind in our ears, where nights are long and in the day you'd paint and I'd write about outer space, where I'm the queen of the creek, and the banks where you would come to drink. And swimming through birch and bark, I tell you my secrets of how I can fly, and I'll show you how tonight. Over bread and